Hi everyone, we've just finished testing the recipes for our Valentine's Day cook-along and we're so excited to share them with you.
That's right, 2021, it's got a different feel. You're stuck at home, you can't book anywhere to go out, but we're going to help you create a 2021 Valentine's Day to remember. You're going to recreate a restaurant-style experience in the comfort of your own home.
That's right, it's completely free and we're going to guide you step by step through cooking this fantastic 3-course dining experience. We're going to give you everything you need, the recipes, the menu, the ingredients list, the shopping list, which is going to make it really easy, and then you're going to cook along with us and we'll be there with you to take you through every step of the recipe.
That's right. We're all going to be a team on this. We're even going to be doing it on Valentine's Day itself. So that's Sunday, the 14th of February, 6 p.m.
That's right. If you want to know any more, click the link in the bio, sign up, register your interest, and we'll see you then.